Our primary goal is to tell everybody about this medicine that we do, and that's because I've seen it work. It's safe and it's effective, and not enough people know about it, or at least aren't aware of what types of options they have. And that's sort of the role that we play here, educating you about your body so that you can take care of it yourself. It's not about relying on us so much as it is really trying to empower people to take that control, because once you have it, I mean, that's where real healing takes place.
My goal with patients, with every patient that I see, is long-term health. It's not just, fixing the acute situation, although we do that as well, but it's that long-term health situation. It's making sure that you have a long, healthy, happy life. That's what we're going for. Making sure that you're living into your 90s or whatever your goal really is, but it's making sure that you enjoy that process, that you enjoy each moment that you have. This medicine is science-based, it's evidence-based, and it's common sense. It's the simple solutions, these simple, realistic solutions that help you to take charge of your health.
Everybody's different. Everybody that's coming in, even if they have the same condition, will get treated differently depending on what their personal preference is. There's all sorts of things that we can do here. My favorite therapy is probably Bowen therapy. That's kind of a hands-on technique where you're working in the nervous system just below the surface of the skin, triggering the body's own innate response to heal, which is a lot about what we do in naturopathic medicine. It's less about what we do as doctors and more about what your body's capable of doing and whatever we can do to kind of push it in that direction.
A lot of the time you need, very specialized treatments, and much of the time we do need those, but I like to think that also if we can prevent that from initially happening, prevent the chronic disease that we're seeing in our population, identifying what the actual problem is, what the root cause of a lot of these issues that we can get at, and oftentimes it's really simple. When that happens and when they identify that for themselves, when they can really understand through their own experience, not just theoretical, not just like a mental note, but really understand and experience it for themselves, what it's like to have that personal healing experience is awesome, because then they'll come back in and you just see like how happy they are, how energetic they are. How
I was going to say, I mean, it's hard to describe how fulfilling it is, but I mean that's the whole reason that we do it.